If you love fruity, homemade wines, this blueberry wine is a real treat. It's smooth, rich, and packed with that classic blueberry aroma, perfect for sipping after a long day. Making this always reminds me of late summer, picking the juiciest blueberries straight from the bush. Start by gently preparing the blueberries. Place them in a fermentation bag and lightly crush the skins by hand. Be careful not to overdo it, you don't want the seeds or skins to make the wine bitter. Next, in your clean primary fermenter, add the sugar, acid blend, pectic enzyme, yeast energizer, and water to bring the batch up to 5 gallons. Submerge the bag of blueberries into the mixture. Now crush and add 5 Camden tablets. This will sterilize the juice. Do not add the yeast yet. It will be destroyed if added too early. Cover the fermenter with a thin, clean towel and wait 24 hours while the sterilization process completes. After 24 hours, sprinkle the wine yeast over the surface of the juice and cover again with a towel. Within 24 hours, you should start to see foaming. That's the fermentation beginning. Allow this first fermentation to continue for 5 to 7 days. Most of the activity happens during this time, so check on it and enjoy watching the bubbles form. Once the initial fermentation is done, carefully remove the blueberry pulp and discard it. Siphon the liquid into a clean carboy, leaving the sediment behind. Make sure to get as much wine as possible, even if a little sediment comes with it. Top up with water if needed to reach 5 gallons. And attach a wine airlock filled halfway with water. Now, leave the wine to ferment and clear for 4 to 6 weeks. You'll know it's done when the liquid is completely clear, and a hydrometer reading is between 0.990 and 0.998. Patience is key here. The longer it clears, the smoother your wine will be. Finally, siphon the cleared wine into bottles, leaving all sediment behind. Stir in 5 crushed Camden tablets for bottling safety. Then, seal the bottles. After a few months of conditioning, your homemade blueberry wine will be ready to enjoy fruity, smooth, and perfectly balanced. Pour a glass, take in that deep blueberry aroma, and enjoy the results of your homemade creation.